Box number 5, 2010 Bowman Baseball. Thanks, take it easy. Alright, first pack, hit a refractor of Brian Pellegrini. Still can't believe 4 boxes now and no higher parallel than a refractor. I haven't hit a single blue refractor yet, no. I think they should have made the USA cards with base also. Got another refractor. Adam Wilk. Looks like there's my 2 parallels for the box, or my 2 refractors. It seems like every box has had 2 base refractors, 2 base blue or orange. I don't mind the regular refractors, just give me a Harper, give me a Strasburg. Well, there's 2 refractors and then 2 base colored cards and then the auto. That's what I've noticed in these boxes so far. And I hit a base autograph. Seems like the color's just staying away from me today. Felix Doubront, Red Sox autograph. No way, man. I wouldn't say A- on the break so far. I mean, all the extra autographs were nice, but I would say maybe C+. Alright, I'll give you a B-. Or give it a B-. The Hayward auto is the biggest hit so far. And here's the first base parallel, Brian Pellegrini, number to 250. I think the Hayward Chrome autos are bringing like 90 a pop. I don't know if they've gone down. I mean, that's what I saw them at yesterday. Another Chapman base chrome. 3 packs left in this box. Looks like no more multi-auto boxes for me. Base blue of this guy for the Cubs. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. Donovan Tate base chrome. Yeah, I'm noticing that on a lot of the base chromes. They've got like the scratches, the roller marks on them. And that is it for box number 5. Quick recap. Domi, whatever, base blue. Brian Pellegrini orange. Felix, whatever, autograph base. Adam Wilk refractor. And Brian Pellegrini refractor.